Yeah.
Yeah, true.
So it is still hard to understand how you,
Yeah.
miss it when you're a ways along.
I know. I was 16 weeks.
Yeah, should be pretty obvious.
16 weeks when they didn't see it. 24 weeks when they found it.
I see.
Yeah. So I was at that part where you can see what they are even.
Yeah, right.
Alright.
Well, that's definitely the head, and then you can just kind of make out that spinal column right there.
Wow.
A little tube, they call that the neurotube.
I can't believe how clear it is. Before I was like, okay, is that the head or the tummy? You know? But I could see it perfectly. As soon as it popped on there, I could see the whole shape of its little
Arms.
its little arm buds.
Just gentle little breathing now, and I'm going to try to capture that heartbeat.
So with this ultrasound, how many weeks to find out?
Oh my god, that's the heartbeat.
How about that?
Oh my god.
Oh my
That is
god.
definitely the sound of new life.